Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have to write anything. You have to tell. I'm writing some name. I'm drawing some compounds. You have to tell me what it is called. This is a test, basically. So these all compounds we have covered in the yesterday's session. So one by one, tell me the name of all these compounds. I'm writing the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hello, Alicia. Welcome to the session. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks. So today, you can see my screen. I have drawn some 6 compounds here. You have to tell me the names. Okay, we have discussed it in the yesterday's session. So let's first revise it before proceeding to the next nomenclature. So I'll take the names and you have to answer the question. So first one would be answered by Shama. What is the name of this compound?
Phenol.
Very good. It is phenol. Yes. Second one would be answered by Alicia. What is the name of this compound? Yes, Alicia. Tell me what is the name of this compound? This one.
Toluene.
Yes. Very good. It is. Okay. So Shama, what is the name of this compound? Second one.
Alanine.
Aniline. Aniline. Okay. Alicia, what is the name of this compound? Third one.
Nitrobenzene.
Yes, it is nitrobenzene. Okay. What is the name of this compound, Shama? You can write this compound like this also. C double bond OH. And we have already studied that this C double bond OH is your aldehyde group. So it should be
Benzaldehyde.
yes, it is benzaldehyde. And what is the name of this compound, Shama?
Benzonic acid.
Benzoic. It is not benzonic. No N here. Benzoic acid is correct. And benzonic acid is incorrect. It is not benzonic. It is benzoic. OIC. Because carboxylic acid is OIC. Okay. Carboxylic. Okay, so this is clear. I'm just revising this. Now I'm giving you one question to solve. You have to solve it. Question number 1. Give the common and IUPAC. Give the IUPAC name of an alkane having the lowest molecular mass having the lowest molecular mass that contains a quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon means that carbon atom is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. Okay, quaternary carbon means carbon which is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. And you know that the valency of carbon is 4 only. So that carbon, it is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. Now satisfy the valency of other carbon atom with hydrogen. Draw the structure and tell me its IUPAC name. And question number 2 is, so I already told you about the secondary carbon, tertiary carbon. Secondary carbon means which is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon means which is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. And primary carbon means that it is attached to 1 carbon atom. Please turn on your video, Shama. Okay, so solve question number 1. I think the question is clear that you have to tell me the IUPAC name of that alkane. Alkane means you have to make all the single bonds, no double or no triple bond should be there. Having the lowest molecular mass, that means the carbon atom should be 1. That contains the quaternary carbon. That means that carbon atom is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. Now satisfy the valency of 4 other carbon atoms with hydrogen and draw its structure. A quaternary carbon means the carbon atom which is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. The valency of this carbon is satisfied because it is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to satisfy the valency of these corner carbon atoms with hydrogen. So it is CH3, 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 CH3. Is it clear? The structure is clear to you? Now tell me the IUPAC name.
Is it 2,2 dimethylpropane?
Yes, it is 2,2 dimethylpropane. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of this C2H6? What it is called? Okay, question number 1 is clear to you, Alicia, that the carbon atom, quaternary carbon you have to make. Quaternary means it is bonded with 4 other carbon atoms. Okay, then you have to satisfy the valency of 4 corner carbons with the hydrogen. No other carbon atom should be there because in the question it is saying lowest molecular mass. Okay, so you have to satisfy it with hydrogen only. So its IUPAC name would be 2,2 dimethylpropane. So this is the answer. So this question comes in 2 marks. Okay, this is a conceptual question basically. You have read the chapter, now you have to apply it. Now what is C2H6? What it is called? Question number 2.
C2H6 is ethane.
Yes, it is ethane. What is C2H4?
Ethene.
Yes. And what is C2H2?
Ethyne.
Yes. C2H6 is ethane because it is an alkane. C2H4, in C2H4 you have a double bond. If you make the structure C2H4, then you can see that you have a double bond here. So that's why it is an ethene. And C2H2, you have a triple bond here. So it is your ethyne. Triple bond means ine, alkyne. So you have to arrange in increasing order of carbon-carbon bond length, which have higher bond length. Single bond, double bond, or triple bond? This we have covered in the chemical bonding chapter, that which have higher bond length. Single bond or double bond? I mean sigma bond or pi bond?
The single bond would be the longest.
Yes, single bond would be the largest. So the order would be C2H6, then C2H4, and then C2H2. Single bonds are the largest, followed by double bond, and then your triple bond. Is these two questions clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Should I clear this?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me the IUPAC name of these compounds. I am writing some compounds. You should know the skeletal formula also. So I'm giving one skeletal formula. So try these four compounds, write down the IUPAC names.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
So what is the name of first compound?
Nitromethane.
Yes, it is nitromethane. What is the name of second compound?
Nitrobenzene.
Is it benzene? Look carefully. It is not benzene, no double bonds are there. There's a difference in benzene. This is benzene. This is also benzene. But this is not benzene. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. There are 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's why it is hexane. And since it is in the cyclic form, so it is cyclohexane. So the name should be modified as nitrocyclohexane, not nitrobenzene. What is the name of third compound? It is not benzene. Don't call it benzene. Benzene is only when 3 double bonds are there.
Ma'am, is that a double bond?
Yes, there is a double bond here. That means it should be cyclohexene, right? And the counting will start from. The counting will always start from this double bond. Okay. So the counting will be 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6.
So it would be
now
3-methyl hexene.
3-methyl what?
Hexene.
And what about
Hexene.
cyclohexene, right?
Yeah.
So it is 3-methyl cyclohexene. So from this example, you have to remember that counting will always start from where the double bond is nearest, from the double bond. So it is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3-methyl cyclohexene. And what is the name of this fourth compound? Counting will start from the functional group. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what should be its name? Which group is attached at 4th position?
Isoproper.
Why not iso? I think you have forgotten the skeletal formula. This line means that it is a CH3 group only. You are not representing the carbon atom, but it is there. Okay. So it is CH3 group. That means methyl group is there. So it is 4 methyl. How many total carbon atoms are there? Chain 5. It is pent. And the functional group is aldehyde. Aldehyde will always end with al. So it is pentenyl. 4 methyl pentenyl. Any problem in any of the IUPAC name? If you have any doubt in any IUPAC name, please let me know. I'll again explain. Am I audible?
Yes.
So please tell me if it is clear, so I'll move forward, or if it is not clear, then I'll explain again.
It's clear.
It's clear.
Now, how many isomers are possible? For a di-substituted benzene? What is the relationship between them? That means what is which isomer we call them? Chain, position, or functional, whatever. Question number 2, you have 3 carbon atoms. You have to tell me the hybridization of all these 3 carbon atoms. sp, sp2 or sp3. Solve it. Done. So question number 1 is that how many isomers are possible for a di-substituted benzene and what is the relationship between them? So any answer, any idea? Di substituted, that means at 2 positions it is substituted with the group. So if you remember, I told you in the last session that this position is ortho, this position is meta, X is any group, and this position is para. So the answer would be 3. 3 isomers are possible: ortho, meta, and para. And what is the relationship between them? Are they chain isomers, position, or functional isomers? Tell me. I think you haven't revised the chapter. You know the difference between chain isomers, position isomers, functional isomers. We have studied with examples also. In the chain isomers, the root chain is different, so there is no thing of chain isomer. In the functional isomer, your functional group is different, so no functional group is different in this. Only there is a difference in the position, which is known as position isomer. Okay, what is the hybridization of first carbon atom, Alicia, in question number 2?
I said that the second carbon, like the number 2, it has sp1 hybridization.
I'm asking number 1 carbon.
And then, yeah, and the second one, I said it has sp2. I mean, the first one, it has sp2, and the third one has sp2.
Yes. First one has sp2 because there are 3 single bonds. Okay. If you write this structure like this, CH2, double bond, C double bond, CH2. Okay. So count the number of sigma bonds only. 1, 2, and 3. Because in double bond, there is 1 sigma and 1 pi. 3 means there is sp2 hybridization. 1 from S and 2 from P. In the second carbon atom, only 2 are there. 2 sigma bonds are there, right? One is this and one is this. So it is sp. And in the third one also, 1, 2, and 3. So it is sp2 hybridization. Is it clear? If there is any doubt, then I'll again explain the hybridization. Please tell me if it is clear or not.
It's clear.
Should I clear the screen?
Yes.
You have to tell me the hybridization of the carbon atom in this compound also. One. You have to tell me the IUPAC name of this compound.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Okay, Shama, tell me the hybridization of this first carbon atom in question number 1.
sp2.
In second carbon atom?
sp2.
Yes. In third carbon atom?
sp.
Yes, very good. Now what is the IUPAC name of question number 2? Compound. Start from the longest chain. So let's start from here because the branching is nearest here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be octane. Now tell me what should come here before octane.
For ethyl 3-methyl. Yeah.
Ethyl is at which position?
4.
So what? Tell me the entire name.
4-ethyl 3-methyl octane.
Yes, 4-ethyl 3-methyl octane is the correct name. 3-methyl 4-ethyl octane is incorrect because the next rule says that you have to name the compound in alphabetical order. So E comes before M. So that's why ethyl comes before methyl. So it is 4-ethyl 3-methyl octane. If you write 3-methyl 4-ethyl, then it is wrong because M in alphabetical order, M comes after E. So this is correct. Is it clear?
Yes.
Should I clear
Yes.
this screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Count number of sigma and pi bonds and tell me the answer. In C6H6, C6H12, and CH2Cl2. Draw the structures first and then count the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds. Sigma bonds, okay, where there is single bond, then it is sigma. If there is double bond, it is 1 sigma, 1 pi. If there is triple bond, it is 2 sigma, 2 pi, and 1 sigma. So draw the structures of all these compounds and count the number of sigma and pi. First one is benzene, right? C6H6 is benzene. In the first molecule, how many sigma bonds are there in benzene? And how many pi bonds are there?
In benzene, there's 12 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds.
Yes, 12 sigma and 3 pi. Okay, so pi bonds you can easily see 1 pi bond, 2 pi bond, and 3 pi bonds are there. And sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12 sigma and 3 pi. In cyclohexane, this is my cyclohexane. So pi bonds are 0. There is no double bond. So pi bonds are 0. And sigma bonds are 2 of this hydrogen, right? And 2 multiplied by how many hydrogens are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sigma bonds are there. And in dichloromethane, how many sigma bonds are there?
O.
And how many pi bonds are there?
0.
Yes, very good. So basically, we have completed this chapter, organic chemistry. From the next session, we'll do the hydrocarbons chapter. We'll revise this, okay, because this is the foundation of your organic chemistry. So we'll keep revising. From the next class, we'll